people, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be testing some slime recipes from other channels. So let's get right to the video. Okay, so slime number 1. Yeah. So what they said is to add in 1 cup of glue. They actually added the whole bottle of glue, but it was one of those smaller ones. But the small ones is equal. I don't know. Yeah, who cares? No, I'm kidding. They are equal to 1 cup. So yeah, you just want to pour that in. After you do that magical step, you want to go ahead and pour that in. And after that, they said to fill up the bottle with water. So I did that, and then they said to shake well. This'll work. I swear there won't be any spills. Promise. I promise. I promise you. Okay, so after that, they poured that in to the mixture. I don't know if this bowl's gonna hold up, but we are going to see. And they said so you have 1:1 ratio? Okay, anyway. Now it's time to mix. They didn't add any food coloring, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Like I said, they didn't, but you know, food coloring never really hurts some slime, does it? This is so gooey. I don't know if their slime was slime in the end. And, oh gosh, one sec. Okay, so while we let that soak up, we're going to continue and see what happens. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so now we are going to add in the borax mixture. And it said to slowly add it in 4 teaspoons or tablespoons. I don't know, but I kind of see why now. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So slowly add 4 tablespoons. And while you're mixing, yeah, let's see. Oh, 4 tablespoons of your borax mixture. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, now it says to knead it. We're gonna see how this turns out. This is actually a really cool feeling slime. But I don't know if it'll survive. So I guess just keep kneading it then. Though you can't like pick it all up, it's pretty hard. Okay, I'll see you guys, and I'll show you guys the slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. 3, 1. Okay, so this is the result. And I actually didn't think this was gonna work, but it ended up working. So that's cool. It's not that sticky at all, as you can see. It leaves a little bit of water on your hands, I guess, if you want to call it. I don't know. But yeah, it's a really cool looking slime. And look at that. It's just really cool. So this is actually not a fail, even though I thought it was. So I'll give this one a thumbs up. And it's glossy as well. Just a little bit though, not too much. Okay, well that concludes it for this video. Goodbye and thanks for watching.